Hey, it's Jim Delaney. We're here in my hometown, the city of brotherly love, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. And we're here for the PRSA conference. Come join me as we head inside to hear from some of the best in the business. All right, good afternoon. Jim Delaney here at the PRSA conference in Philadelphia. And we're delighted to have our special guest, Paula Payton, who comes to us from NYU. At NYU, she's the Director of Corporate Communications and their Public Relations program. So, Paula, welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming here today.
Great to be here. Always a good day in Philly.
Lots of your professors are here.
Yes.
You clearly have your finger on the pulse of what's next in the PR landscape.
Yes.
So, what's important as you really take responsibility for help educate some of these young professionals in school to become and join this great community?
One of the reasons why students come from all around the world to NYU is because NYU continues to be sort of the mecca, the meeting point, the touch point of all of those areas around media. They get a chance to learn from best-in-class faculty with the introduction of an interesting technology-driven platform like social media. We begin to think in terms of two different ways: the way we deliver course material and the way that we interact with students and facilitate the building of communities and networking for their future career advancement. So one of the interesting ways that social media has sort of permeated our classroom is in the ways in which professors are using it. Some of our professors use it entirely to communicate with students. One of my faculty members will only tweet to students, doesn't even use email.
Oh, wow, fantastic.
Wonderful, wonderful. The other ways in which we use it is obviously teaching them to be experts in social media, to begin to use that channel as well as traditional channels and emerging channels moving forward. So we're becoming sort of bastion of knowledge and expertise around that particular area. So it's the place to be if you want a career in public relations and corporate communication.
There's so much buzz about social media, the social networks. What's your perspective in terms of how that's changing the landscape for PR professionals?
Well, I think you'll like my answer, because one of the things that we're really trying to work on with our students are two ideas, the twin pillars of our program: insight and also integration. So one of the real opportunities with social media is to learn, to listen and leverage whatever communication platform that you want to drive and move forward. So becoming insight focused and insight centered is an opportunity moving forward. The second area is integration. One of the best opportunities within our program, because we have so many areas clustered within us now, is to really teach students how to integrate across platforms and channels in a thoughtful and analytical way to drive their business and their messages moving forward.
Great insights. So there you have it. It's all about insights, integration, listen, and leverage. Once again, our guest today, Paula Payton from NYU, and thank you very much for joining us, Paula.
Thank you. A pleasure.
It was fantastic.